Hey guys, today Noah and I are going to debunk the myth that hitting a softball or baseball in the sweet spot of the bat increases a player's performance. A lot of the myth has to do with the fact that the center of percussion is the exact spot where we need to hit the softball or baseball to increase our performance. However, the center of percussion is completely dependent of the pivot point of the bat. So, if an impact force were to hit the bat at the center of mass, then the point would experience translational acceleration, and the whole bat would accelerate in the same direction as the applied force. So, we apply the force with our hands, and that's where the stinging of your hands comes from when you don't hit the bat right in the middle or right in that sweet spot that they call it. So if the impact force strikes below the center of mass but above the center of percussion, then the point would experience both a translational acceleration like the last time, but this time it would be bigger than the rotational acceleration, and the player would still experience the sting. So basically, if it hits not directly in that center of percussion, that's when it stings. So, however, if the impact force strikes the bat exactly at the center of percussion, then the translational acceleration and the rotational acceleration are opposite, so they cancel each other out. And then that's when the bat would rotate about the pivot point that we talked about before, and there would be no net force that the player would feel holding the bat. So that's why people think that hitting the bat in the sweet spot increases your performance, but really you just don't feel the sting. So yeah, thanks for watching.